If you want to change the video resolution on your iPhone, there's two things you can do or two ways you can go about doing it. So the first way is going into your camera and making sure that you're on the video section rather than the photo section. Because once you're here, if you look at the top left-hand corner, you'll be able to see different resolutions or frame rates that you can choose from. If you don't want to do it this way, what we can do is come out of your camera, go over to your settings, and scroll down until you find the camera section here, and then go to record video. And then from here, you have so many options, so you just have to pick the one that's best for you, if it's a 1080 or 4K or 720, and then they also have the frames per second as an option as well. So it's totally up to you to pick a resolution that fits for you. But that's it. It's super simple and super easy to change the resolution of your recorded videos on iPhone.